Dear students, in this module, we shall define synapses and discuss their types and discuss one type, that is electrical synapses, in detail. The synapses are the junctions between axon terminals of one axon and the dendrites of another axon. The transmission of signals takes place from one neuron to the other through these junctions. There are two types of synapses. One are the electrical synapses and the second type is of chemical synapses. We shall discuss electrical synapses in detail. At the electrical synapses, the plasma membranes of pre- and post-synaptic cells are in close apposition. प्री और पोस्ट सिनेप्टिक सेल की जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन्स हैं, ये दोनों एक दूसरे के बिल्कुल करीब होती हैं और दे आर इलेक्ट्रिकली कपल्ड थ्रू द गैप जंक्शन प्रोटीन्स. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट can flow directly from one cell into the other through the gap junction proteins purely by electrical means without involving any chemical transmitter. It is just like a signal transmission along a single axon, involving passive spread of local circuit current that depolarizes and excites the neuron ahead. So, the transfer of information through these synapses is much rapid. Dear students, the electrical synapses provide a mean of very rapid transmission without involving any chemical in between. However, it has limited efficacy because the signal that is transferred from one neuron to the other through the gap junction proteins is somewhat attenuated. ये थोड़ा सा reduce हो जाता है. So, a single presynaptic action potential that arrives in the postsynaptic potential cannot generate an action potential in the postsynaptic cell. जब एक कमजोर सिग्नल पहुंचेगा तो पोस्ट सिनेप्टिक सेल की मेम्ब्रेन इतनी डिपोलराइज नहीं होगी कि वो भी जवाब में एक्शन पोटेंशियल जनरेट करे और यूं एक्शन पोटेंशियल की प्रोपेगेशन हो. यही वजह है कि एक अक्सर इलेक्ट्रिकल सिनेप्सिस के थ्रू एक से ज्यादा एक्शन पोटेंशियल्स रिक्वायर होते हैं कि प्रोपेगेट करें. दिस लिमिटेशन रिड्यूसेस द एफिकेसी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल सिनेप्सिस. But in spite of their limited efficacy, they have certain advantages. They are particularly effective in synchronization of electrical activity within a group of cells. They can transmit information across a series of cell-cell junctions. जहां पर यह रिक्वायर्ड होता है कि सेल्स की एक सीरीज है और उस पूरी सीरीज में एक इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल को कन्वे करना है और इमीडिएटली करना है, उसके लिए इलेक्ट्रिकल सिनेप्सेस मोस्ट परफेक्टली रोल प्ले करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, मायोकार्डियम ऑफ द हार्ट में ये इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स मौजूद होते हैं और हार्ट के मसल सेल्स में बहुत तेजी के साथ सिग्नल्स की ट्रांसमिशन कर लेते हैं. Dear students, the electrical synapses are relatively rare and most of the signaling between neurons takes place through the chemical synapses. However, electrical transmission has been discovered in many cells of the central nervous system. Moreover, in many receptors like the retina of the eye electrical synapses are present. Similarly, many smooth muscles have electrical synapses, and cardiac muscle fibers and many other receptor cells and some axons of peripheral nervous system also contain electrical synapses through which transmission of signals takes place rapidly.